In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the macro splits in MacroFactor. So first, you'll need to go and download the application if you don't have it downloaded into your phone. If you do, just go and access that application. Make sure you're logged in into an account if you have an account, and if you don't, go and create your new account. Of course, this app is paid, and you'll get 7 days, I guess, yeah, 7 days free trial for $1 if you want to. So to customize your macro splits in MacroFactor, basically, the process depends on which program mode you are on. If you're in manual, where you will have full control, you'll be able to do it very easily. And if you are in collaborative mode, it will be a little bit different. If you're in coach mode, it will be a little bit different. So, an example for me, I am in coach mode, or no, this one is manual. So I changed it lately. So, an example here, what I'll have to do is simply goes example here, of course, first of all, you'll be able to see how much like calories you set for yourself. As you can see, I set that for myself, which is manual, like 2000 of calories, 5 gram of protein, 5 gram of fat, and also carbs. Of course, you can see like what you consumed and what the remaining that you'll need. And of course, here you'll find your energy balance and stuff. Now, to change that as an example, we'll be able to go and change our goal. If we go to our strategy, as you can see, I can go here and set a new goal. So, an example, I'm just going to keep maintaining weights here next, and now we'll have to set the program. So here you can choose whatever you want. If you want to customize it, make sure to have it manual, where you will be able to edit all the stuff by your own. So if you click on manual, same targets all week, you can do different each day. For me, I'm going to do that. So energy, I'm just going to do 2000 again, 5, 5, and let's just do this 4. Click on next, and done. And as you can see, get started. And now, if I go to dashboard, as you can see, it will be changed. So that's how I basically customize that. So that's going to be for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.